All right, y'all. We are live on this beautiful Thursday morning, guys. It's so sunny out, so beautiful. The chickens are shining, the grass is chirping. Blessings to everybody in the name of the Messiah, Jesus, Yeshua. I pray everybody listening to my voice is very blessed and that the Lord has favor and mercy upon you and your household. Guys, we're going to be trading and chilling today, going over some TA. Trading and chilling today, going over some TA. What do you say? We'll be live soon, guys. Make sure to like the video. If we can get 1,250 likes, we'll be giving away 0.025 Bitcoin. Make sure to share the stream on Twitter. And follow me on Instagram. Yeah, and all that good stuff.
Hello, I would like to get a Big Mac meal.
All right, y'all. We are live on this beautiful, it's a Thursday morning, guys. And we're chilling out. You know, we're just chilling out, doing some TA. I want to talk about this Bitcoin price action, guys, because yesterday, if you were here for the live stream, y'all, I mean, we had some crazy volatility going on. Absolutely crazy. Want to remind everybody to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, because if we can get 1,250 likes during the course of this stream, y'all, we will be giving away 0.025 Bitcoin. And depending how much we pump during the stream or dump, I don't know, it could depend on what will happen. All right, so let's talk about what happened yesterday, guys. Man, what an eventful day yesterday was. So, guys, we got this juicy move to the upside, okay? We got this juicy move to the upside, and it was a long trade that we had been waiting for, that basically, you know, when we came down to that weekly level, we were waiting for let's take a look here in the potential Bitcoin day trade setups. We were looking for that move from that exact level, right? From this weekly level right here, where we got the 20,779 level. We were looking for a loss and a reclaim of that level with bullish divergences, and that's pretty much exactly what happened, guys. And from that point, we have had a massive move to the upside. Massive move to the upside. You guys saw me yesterday live stream this trade. I've closed it out, guys. I have now closed out the trade. It was such a small position. I've closed it out. And now I have entered into a new long position, and that is the trade setup that I did give this morning in the TA channel here over in the VIP Discord, guys, where The two main trades I was looking for was a long from about 22,566, and as we can see, I am long from 22,606. So pretty much grabbed that wick, guys. Grabbed that wick right from here, and Bitcoin is currently getting a move to the upside. All right, getting a move to the upside. Now, we have to understand the context of what has happened over the course of the past 2 days, right? Because if you've been watching the channel, I've been feeling bullish, I've been feeling bearish, I've been feeling bullish, I've been feeling bearish. The thing is, you know, it's hard to know, right? I'm not good at predicting, right? I'm good at getting into trades, but once I'm in a trade, I don't know. That's why I long and short at the same time, lock in a profit, and then say, I don't care what happens, right? We could pump or dump, I'm still going to be good, right? So we have to understand the context of what has happened over the past few days, because it's very, very important. Now, first of all, I want to start by looking at that weekly time frame on Market Cipher B, because I do think that there's still room for the upside here. Okay, I want to turn on actually the VWAP here on Market Cipher B as well. I turned it off because I was making an instructional video, but we got the VWAP on here, and let me turn on the RSIs too. Okay, that's how I like it. So there's still room for the upside on the weekly. Money flow curving to the upside, guys. Money flow curving to the upside. VWAP pointing to the upside. RSI is tight and close together. On the daily time frame, guys, we do have a trigger wave printing with the money flow curving to the upside. This to me looks very bullish. We come to the 4-hour time frame as well. Could go either way, right? Could really go either way. Looks like we do need to have some kind of retracement here. So the reason why I'm bringing this all up is because over the past few days, we have actually done something quite significant, where we have actually now had some value area shift, where the highest volume node of this entire sideways range used to be down here at 20,500. Yesterday morning, we actually switched that to 21,200 and are now trading above it, having kind of retested as support, and now we've gotten a move outside of the value area again. Now, to me, this is very bullish. This is very bullish. Why is that bullish? Because typically, if we're going to be looking at an asset and trying to determine where is the fair price of this asset, where it's considered a fair value, right? This is the fair value of the asset, and we use this to determine high and low, because like your grandfather always told you, son, if you want to get into investing, all you have to do is buy low and sell high. It's that simple, son. Just buy low and sell high, right? But most of us get into trading. What do? We buy high and we sell low. But we can use tools like this fixed range volume profile over here in TradingView and the prediction and measurement tools all the way down at the bottom to establish a fair value for an asset if it's ranging sideways. Now, if the asset gets a deviation outside of that value area, we would expect it to come back in and then come to the low of the value area. And when it comes down to the low of the value area, we would expect it to come back in and come to the high of the value area. Now, 2 weeks ago, I was getting extremely bullish down here, saying that now that we've come down to the low of this range, okay, and we did give a trade setup in the VIP Discord too long from this low right here. Shout out to everyone who took that and is still holding it. I am not, but I did take that trade, and I held it all the way up to here and closed it up in this area. I actually closed it by accident at the top. I did this on live stream, guys. I closed it by accident at the top. It turned out to be pretty good, right? So I took that trade, guys, set up, given it in advance in the VIP Discord. And by the way, if you do want to join the VIP Discord where we give the juicy trade setups in advance, you can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. It's a great resource. But then we're saying, okay, if we can hold above this value area, then that's bullish, right? Well, we came back inside of it, and now I'm saying that's bearish, right? That's bearish. It is bearish. But here's the thing. We have held support on the high volume node and are now back outside that value area. So I have to say once again, that is bullish. Now, this does not give us a trade entry, which is very, very important. A lot of YouTubers out there, you're going to watch their channels and they're going to tell you what's happening. They're going to tell you what has happened. They're going to tell you what they think could happen. That does not give you a trade entry. Okay, the information I'm giving us now does not give us a trade entry. What it can do is it can help us to, if we happen to find a trade entry, know how long we should be holding that trade for. Okay, so for me, because I see bullish signs right here, I am hoping to hold my long trade a little bit longer, because what did I do? I actually longed it right from this wick right here, this low wick retest that we got right here, because if this is bullish and we're going to continue up, then I need to be looking for a long trade, not longing the top, but waiting for a retracement at a key level of support, and that's where I get into the long. And because I say the market looks bullish, I can expect now to hold the trade longer. Or if I think the market looks bearish because we're underneath this key level, then I can say I'm looking for shorts and I'm looking to hold them lower. For example, I took a short trade from this wick right here. In fact, that setup was also given in advance over in the VIP Discord because it was a key level of support and resistance, and we knew that we were coming down. And let's see if I can find that. This was a long trade that I took. Where was that short trade? Where was it? It was from... No, I can't find it now. It was a while ago now. Wow. It was a while ago now. Yeah, I can't find it now. Oh yeah, here it was, guys. Here it was. From the local Fibonacci golden pocket retracement, right? We were looking for that juicy short. And it was juicy as heck, guys, to the exact dollar, right? We were looking for the short. Not to the exact dollar. I think I was $6 off on that entry there. Okay, so that's what this information can give us, right? It's not going to help us get into a trade. It's going to help us once we're already in a trade. And if we think we know what direction the market's going to go in, well, that can help us plan for our trades. And planned trades are always successful trades, right? For example, the only reason I was able to get into a long from here is because I was planning to long from here, right? When I came to the chart in the morning, what I saw us ranging locally. And I said to myself, okay, if we come down to these lows, I'm going to be looking for a long, because we always want to be looking at these markets as sideways markets with clearly defined lows and clearly defined highs. Because again, if we can get some kind of market structure or some framework in which we can determine high and low, then it will allow us to do what our grandfather said, buy low and sell high, right? And we got a massive dump down to here. Everybody starts freaking out. Oh no, we're going down. Meanwhile, I'm here. I'm looking for a long. Right from the level, guys. Right from the level. And it's not just the level, it's also the confirmations, right? What did we have on the 6-minute time frame and the 12-minute time frame and these lower time frames as we came down to this key level right here? What do we have? Bullish divergences, guys. Bullish divergences, right? Money flow getting higher, right? That's how you find an entry. It's not because we think this or we think that or we feel this or yesterday at this time and the last time the FOMC and all this crap and Jerome Powell, pump it Powell. Nah. That doesn't mean a dang thing, guys. Right? It don't mean a peak if it ain't got that cheek. Okay? If it ain't got that cheek, if it ain't got them uneven butt cheeks on Market Cipher B, right? That's what we're looking for here. Uneven butt cheeks, right? We want to see our good friend, this woman right here, okay? Here she is. Let's flip her vertically here, because this is what we want to see, right? We want to see our party girl at the club, drinking the hand with those uneven cheeks flapping all around there. And we also want to see our good friend Dolores, okay? Now, Dolores, she's upside down right now because she's actually a trapezist, but we also want to see our good friend Dolores. When we go to the diner, when price is dumping down and we need a little pick-me-up, we want to go to the diner, and our good waitress friend Dolores, you know, the one, she talks like this with the Brooklyn accent. She's smoking too many cigarettes over here. She don't care that you can't smoke inside anymore. She's old school, right? Bring me back to the 90s. Bring me back to the late 80s over here. Look at the haircut, right? Nice and short. It's nice and frizzy, right? Now, here's the thing. She had an injury when she was younger, so her butt cheeks are a little uneven. But the money's in those butt cheeks, right? When the price is coming down to a key level support right here, look at that. Boom. We get a bounce right from there. Now, this guy over here, he knows what to look for. He knows what to look for because he's smiling. He's smoking his expensive cigar because he knows, right? This guy over here, he's FOMO and short, right? That's why he's wearing this stupid suit and bow tie. He has to do it for his job that he hates. He's smoking a regular cigarette because he can't afford a nice cigar, all right? He's looking off into space, dreaming about potentially someday being financially free over here. Now, this guy, he knows about the butt cheeks. This guy has no idea, right? He's selling low and buying high. This guy's buying low and selling high, all right? Now, that's what we want to do. Look, we got the cheeks here coming down to a key level of support. Boom, all right? Now, are we going to get a move to the upside or to the downside? Honestly, guys, I don't know. And I can't tell you that, right? Because I can't make predictions. What I can do is say, honestly, I'm feeling kind of bullish. Now, what are the key areas that we need to be aware of right now? Well, for me, it's this, all right? These highs, first of all, we need to be aware of. And then, if we can come above the previous high, that at 24.2, I would say it's a very, very smooth move till 28K. Smooth. Okay, smooth. Why 28K? Because that is the low of the previous range. Very little market structure. It's a smooth move down here. Okay, we were ranging, having a good time. We got a little too cocky. We went out partying. We drank way too much. We got a hangover. Then we decided to eat Taco Bell at 3 in the morning. Got sick. Then we decided to eat a whole bowl of oatmeal with prunes for the fiber to try and get healthy. All three of these things combined caused us to take a massive dump. Massive smooth move dump, okay? At our friend's house, almost overflowed the toilet bowl, right? As we were flushing the toilet, we're praying, Lord, please don't let this happen at my friend's house, okay? Looking around, no plunger. Crap, there's no plunger. Who doesn't keep a plunger? What if... Freaking out. The water level's coming higher and higher and higher. Oh no, please, no. Overflow. Coming down. All right, that's what happened, guys. So this is the last support before, we had this dump. So if we can come above this high, look at the market structure, right? We're just dealing with highs and lows right here, right? We're just dealing with highs and lows. Now, there's also a chance, guys, that this bearish 4-hour trigger wave does give us a move to the downside, right? There really is a chance that this bearish 4-hour trigger wave does give us a move to the downside, right? And if that happens, there are some important areas that I am looking for, all right? Number one, the level that I am most looking for that we cannot lose unless I consider this a failed breakout and just a lower high. Simply just a lower high in a downtrend, because there's a few ways to look at this, guys. Low, high, higher low to potentially be making a higher high, or high, low, lower high, making a lower low, right? We can't know yet, right? Technical analysis is great, but we have to use it in context. When we're dealing with the higher term time frames like this, where we're saying it could be this or it could be that, we won't know until hindsight. And so that's why we have to zoom in on lower time frames. That's where we actually get our entries and stuff like that, right? That's how we were able to short from here, short from here, short from here, long from here, because we had levels and confirmations there, right? We don't know what's going to happen until we get to a level and we have our confirmations there. So if this 4-hour time frame is going to cause us to, have another episode of defecation, well, as long as we don't lose 21.6, I still can remain bullish because, when we get a move up, we're never going to go straight up. We're always going to retrace. Look at this. Down a little, retrace. Down a little, retrace. Down a little, retrace. Down a lot, and then we reverse. So now it would make sense. Up a little, retrace. When we're looking at retracements, okay, these Fibonacci percentages give us not criteria, but like road marks to say, if we come below this level, it's most likely no longer a retracement, and it's actually just we put in a lower high, and this move was the retracement, and this is actually the real move, right? This is the line in the sand to say, right now, we don't know if this is a lower high in a downtrend or the beginning or continuation of this uptrend, right? We don't know yet, but we will know if we come below this golden pocket, because the golden pocket, most of the time, if we lose, we could say that the retracement is actually not a retracement. It's actually just we're continuing in this bearish trend right here, right? So this is really the line in the sand for me. And the reason why I also really like this golden pocket is because it's just a nice area of support and resistance in general, right? Look at this. Look at this. Okay? Now, I'm not saying we can't bounce before that, but look at this. Just look at this, guys. Support, resistance, resistance, consolidation, resistance, support, support. Breakout, right? So we could look at this as, one move, right? On the way up, we had up, retrace, up, retrace, up, retrace, up, retrace, up. And so, we can, it's about zooming into lower time frames, right? This uptrend was an uptrend that contained a whole bunch of little downtrends. If we zoom in on this little piece right here, this is the 4-hour time frame, so we're talking, 2 days. It seemed like we were in a downtrend for 2 days if we were on the 5-minute time frame. But on the 4-hour time frame, it looked like we were in an uptrend. So it's all about understanding the context of the markets, right? So again, I'm interested right now in this area right here. And there's actually a few areas I'm interested in above that. But yeah, I'm interested in this area because, you know, right now, we have this high that we could take out. If we take out that high with some bearish divs, it might just be a fake out to the upside, right? A lot of times we get a fake out to the upside. And the way we can determine that is by looking at our market cipher B, right? If we get a big move up there and we're seeing bearish divergences and we're seeing bearish money flow, then we can say, yeah, you know, it's probably a fake out, right? It's probably a fake out. But if we don't get up there, right? If we get up there and we see money flow going like this, like what did we see yesterday, right? Yesterday, during this big move here, right? This was so crazy, right? Look at the money flow that we were getting during like yesterday's live stream, right? As we were coming up here, money flow was just getting massively thick on the 1 minute, just massively thick, right? And so that's not what we want to see. We want to see money flow getting thinner. We actually want to see something like this right here, right? We want to see something like this, and we want to see this, right? The money flow getting lower, and the momentum waves also getting lower, right? Because that will tell us that there's not enough strength to actually break out of there. So we're going to have to wait and see how that happens. And I'm going to pop into the chat quick and see if anyone's even in here. And if anyone is in here, guys, make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because, you know, you're not going to find this on cable TV. You're not going to find it on satellite TV. You're definitely not. Do we have a Bart pattern forming? Yeah, it's very possible that we do have that Bart Simpson pattern forming. Earnest Combat. Yeah, for sure. Shout out to Robert Bonar, by the way. Shout out to Crypto Sense. Robert Bonar, thank you so much for being here, bro. Holding it down with the wrench as a mod. Crypto Crank. Shout out to Crypto Crank. And shout out to this person who I cannot pronounce, who says the United States now has the most incompetent president and Fed members. 2023 will be very difficult days. Yeah, I tend to agree with that. I mean, honestly, I don't believe that the presidents have any like real authority or power. I think they're just like front men for people to rally and or hate to kind of like cause like divide in society. But for sure, I don't think it's incompetence either. I think it's well crafted, well thought out policies and or lack thereof cognitive function in order to just bring about some global agendas, right? So I'm not going to try and shadow ban myself, but, you know, I agree. That's why I'm such a big proponent of growing your own food, right? And doing things that you can do to become self-sufficient. If you're going to rely on government for stuff, guys, you're going to be very disappointed. Just saying, right? Just saying. And that's what makes America great is the fact that historically we didn't rely on the government, but now everyone's like, oh, but my socialist insecurity and my... Come on, guys. What happened to the spirit of liberty? Sorry, guys, that I didn't stretch the screen. What streaming software do I use? Ecamm. Shout out to Aaron G, by the way. From where is that short open? Oh, right, the short trade. Guys, I took the short trade from 23,389. It was because we had a naked point of control there. So, let's go to the... Basically, what happened was this, guys. We came up to a naked point of control, and I'm going to, I made this little short video here, where basically we were coming up, we hit a naked point of control to the exact dollar, had the green box. In the VIP Discord, guys, you know, we give these levels in advance every single day, right? We post these levels in advance, and, you know, that green box right here at 23,391 to 23,425, guys. Right here, green box, naked point of control, tap daily level. We come up to it, and as we come up to it, look at the 6-minute time frame, guys. Money flow coming way down, bearish divergences, and so I was outside putting away my baby chicks, and I took the short right on my phone, guys, because when you see a level like that, and you see these bearish divs forming, I mean, honestly, it can make for a pretty juicy short trade, and I took profit super early on it because obviously we're in this massive pump, right? We're in this massive pump. So let's see what happens here. As we come up to this area of resistance, let's check out the 12-minute. 12 minute looking actually pretty good. Pretty good here, I would have to say. The 12 minute does look pretty good, I would have to say. Yeah, sorry guys that the screen was not correct there. Let me do this. There we go. Shout out to Crypto Tom, by the way. That's true. Yeah. You're right, Crypto Tom. You are absolutely right, man. Okay, so we're coming up to our first area of resistance here. And what time do I start my trading day? Oh, man. Usually around 7, 8 o'clock in the morning before New York open. That's typically when I start my trading day. Okay, so this is interesting. We have a double blood diamond on a 30 minute that have not played out. Interesting. Yeah, let's check out. So Aaron G says CDW soon. Yeah, I'm definitely looking out for a CDW soon here, guys. Yeah, I'm also on the hunt for a short scalp as well here. Okay, let's check out this 30-minute time frame. Yeah, we have the potential for some pretty bearish cheeks here, guys. We do have the potential for some pretty bearish cheeks. And also, we do have the potential, for our good friend Dolores. Sometimes we see her at the diner. Sometimes she's hanging out upside down at the circus, with her upside down uneven butt cheeks. And, typically, if we do get a move, if we put in a high, just like this, right? We put in our low, right? And we came below it with bullish divergences. Well, in the same way, we put in our high. If we come above it with bearish divergences, it's likely a fake out, guys. It's likely a fake out. It's a high probability trade setup, because what you can do is when we get the fake out, once we come back in, entry right here, stop loss right here, lock in your profit, stop loss to entry, and you're good to go. And you're good to go, guys. And you're good to go. So, yeah, although it is interesting today, like before New York opened, we had this big pump. Once New York opened, we had this big dump. And now money flow is getting kind of thick, honestly. Money flow is getting a little thick here on the 3 minute here. It's getting kind of thick, but yeah, it's getting kind of thick, guys. It's getting a little thick. We have to wait and see what's going to happen here. Excuse me, I just burped a little bit, Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. See, I'll have to see what happens here. I don't know what is going to happen here. We're going to really have to wait and see if we break out or if we don't. So, money flows thick. Divergences not really here. I'm thinking if we do get a CDW, it'll be a quick one, guys. I'm thinking if we do get a CDW, it will be a quick one. But definitely the 12-minute bearish divs coming down. So that's a good sign if we're going to get a fake out. But I have to be honest, guys, 6-minute money flow, okay. We could say it's a little bit lower. We could say that. We'll have to wait and see if we do lose that level. Money flow thick, man. Money flow thick. All right, I feel like I'm about to get an alert right here. Gonna turn off. Okay, yeah, I got an alert. Yeah, so this is intense here. I would say it's not looking like the highest probability, but we do have The VWAP diverging. We do have our 12-minute potentially diverging here with the money flow coming down. That is what we want to see. 6-minute, we do have a divergence. 3-minute, we technically do have a divergence. Let's see what happens here, man. This is wild. All right, now we want to see like a red dot at least, and like a a loss of the level. Let's check out our order flow chart here. What's happening? Wow. We have a lot of trades closing out here. Money flow thick, man, on the 1 minute. I do think we could get some movement to the downside if we get a red dot here. But definitely no divergence, guys. I did just hit a TP on my long. Let's check out that 3-minute. That doesn't look too bearish to me, guys. It doesn't look too bearish. All right. It does not look too bearish. Let's check out these higher term time frames. It could turn bearish, guys, but I don't know how much bearishness we have here. Look at this money flow, very, very thick. This is not what we would want to see, honestly, for a CDW. We would want to see I would want to see at least a bearish div on that 1 minute, guys. A bearish div on that 1 minute. If we close a candle below this line, guys, then we can consider. But we need to close a candle below that line, and typically it will happen fast. This is not the type of price action we want to see. And if we come above this high, then it's very, very unlikely that it's going to happen. So we have to wait for it to come below this white line. We have to wait for it to come below this white line. If it does, and close a candle, and then we could take it from there. But until that happens, we just watch, right? Let's see what's happening here. Wow, lots of longs opening up here too, and shorts. Wow, a lot of people are trying to short this here, guys. A lot of people are trying to short this. Let's zoom in, see what's happening now. Wow, a lot of shorts opening up here, guys. Honestly, this looks kind of bullish to me. just the fact that there's so many shorts opening here trying to short it, they could be used as fuel to the upside. Actually, now we do see some longs kind of getting absorbed up here. Now we see some longs getting absorbed up here. See this? Trading sideways, and these longs up here getting absorbed. Okay. Did you guys see how that absorption happened right there? On this TR chart. So we can see this line getting higher as the price stays sideways here. That is absorption, meaning that these people trying to long the breakout are being absorbed by whales trying to fill their shorts. Now, of course, this is on a very small time frame, but we can still see it happen. And as soon as we see that happen, we get a little move to the downside. Right? Isn't that crazy? That is crazy. And we have more longs coming in here as well. We have more longs coming in here as well. Okay, so we have closed the candle below. Oh, immediately come above. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, money flow getting thicker, guys. I have to be honest, like, money flow is getting thick here. Money flow is getting thick. All right, let's see what's happening now. So we've got our longs coming in. We've got a lot of shorts coming in too. It's a battle. It really is a battle right here. And if I had to guess for one side right now based on money flow, I would say higher. I would say higher based on money flow. But the only thing bearish about this is the 12-minute money flow, honestly. That is the only thing bearish, is the 12-minute money flow. And 12-minute momentum waves, which holds a lot of weight. It does hold a lot of weight, guys. So if we can come down a little bit more here, if this 1 minute doesn't if this 1 minute does not green dot us back up to these highs, right? If we can get some more shorts to come in here. Oh, okay. I mean, it's so hard to say, guys. It's so hard to say. I would say this is unclear. This is unclear, but I would lean more toward the upside based on money flow. Based on money flow. But let's see if we change, if we can like have a very, very small change of structure here. Looks like we're about to pump, man. Yeah, it's not looking too bearish anymore, guys. It's not looking too bearish anymore. We've got the longs soaring in. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so okay, so now potentially we could have that div, but we would have to lose this level, and then we wouldn't have as good of an entry here. All right, so my next area of resistance is going to be this. All right. This level right here, 23,775, is going to be my next area. And that actually could make for a good one. If you remember, the naked point of controls was hit last night. This could actually be a pretty good level here. Yeah, that could actually be a pretty good level up there if we come up there. And then once we get up there, we're going to be looking for the same thing that we looked for right here. I mean, that we looked for right here, which was we want to lose that level. We want to see bearish divs on the 1 minute, which we didn't see. Which we did not see. Okay, so we do have a slight bearish div here now on the 1 minute. All right, so let's see. This was our level here. Let's check out our 3 minute. Okay, yeah. So I would prefer shorting up here. I know that technically, if we lose this. And if we see a whole bunch of shorts coming in. But right now, wow, longs closing out. Wow, big decrease in people opening trades right now. So this honestly does show some weakness. Wow, look at all those longs closing out and shorts coming in here. Yeah. So that is an interesting move. Let's see if we can get up to that point of control. So either point of control or honestly a loss of this level here. Again, that 23,440. If we lose that after getting some bearish divs, because we've now got some bearish divs on these higher term time frames. 12 minute no longer diverging here, guys. 12 minute no longer diverging. Wow. Wow, we're pumping up, man. We are pumping up. This is wild. "12 minutes no longer diverging." The 6 minutes is like dancing on the line, guys, of a divergence here. I'm going to be looking at our 1 minute here. Because if this money flow starts to come down, it could make for a scalp from this level. But honestly, guys, if we don't reject from one of these areas, this could be, this really could be a this could be like a breakout like a legit breakout. This could be a confirmed breakout to 28K if we don't get a rejection from one of these levels here. Money flow is thick on the 1 minute. Let's check out the 3. We might be able to get a scalp from it, man, but it's not very high probability. I don't think. I wouldn't say. See what's happening here. Wow, we do have the previous month value area high in that same region. Previous month value area high in that same region. This is looking pretty bullish, guys. Money flow on the 1 minute getting nice and thick here. Money flow on the 1 minute getting nice and thick. I don't know if I am still as interested in shorting this, guys. It's the 12-minute money flow that's really got me. But you know, zooming in on lower time frames, I just still don't see that bearishness here. So let's see what happens when we touch that level. We'll probably get some kind of reaction from it. But look at that money flow, man. And even on the 3 minute. This is wild. That money flow is so thick, man. Wow. All right, so we got a slight rejection from that. And we have a slight 1 minute bearish div. But here's the thing, guys, about these bearish divs. It's like, you know, it's only on the 1 minute, so we can't expect a massive move from it. But those naked point of controls, guys, they are well-respected levels in general. They are well-respected levels in general. I mean, yeah, if if we're going to reject, this is the level I would say that we should look for it, but let's see what happens here. You know, as long as we don't come above this high, there's a chance of rejection here. Based on the 12, based on the 24, based on the even on the 10, just like the money flow, right? As long as we don't put in a higher high, there's a chance of rejection here. Let's see what happened on this chart. Wow. Okay, big decrease in open interest. And now we've got more longs coming in. We don't really see any absorption here, to be honest. We actually, potentially we do, because there's actually a lot of longs coming in right now. There's a lot of longs coming in this candle, but price is getting lower here. It's like on a local level. But what we would really want to see is we would want to see this line come up higher than it was up here for a confirmed, I would say, for confirmed absorption. But if we are going to reject this, it's going to be from this level. Because actually, not only did we hit that naked point of control, but technically, this is even a CDW of up here. You know. This is technically even a CDW of up there. See what we got here. A whole bunch of longs just closing out, guys. Longs closing out, and we need some shorts to start coming in. We do have some shorts coming in here as well. We've got some shorts coming in All right, I think we could come down a little bit lower just based on, like, especially if that 6 minute gives us a dot. You know, the money flow is getting lower on the 6 minute. It's potential CDW. I mean, technically, we did close the candle below the level. So, we'll have to see what happens here. You know, sometimes we CDW and CDW a second time, like do something like this, whoop, and this time we would get the bearish div on the 1 minute like that. This actually is looking up. I mean, open interest is coming down, but potentially we have shorts getting absorbed down here now. So this is a major level to consider. Guys, you know, TA, man, definitely works. Like, people who say TA doesn't work, look at this, right? It's the levels are respected, right? The levels are respected. I just got a notification on PHEMEX that the price of Ethereum is up a lot. Let's check out Ethereum, actually. What's the SPX is doing is basically the same thing as Bitcoin right now. SPX did get a little bearish div. Let's check out ETH. Actually, let's check out the dollar dumping. So that's bullish for Bitcoin. That's bullish for Bitcoin that the dollar's dumping like that. Let's check out ETH. What is ETH doing right now? Wow, getting a pretty... ETH got a 1 minute bear div as well, and Bitcoin right now, I just heard a noise, which typically means we have a 12-minute red dot. I don't see a 12-minute red dot. But I would say that the rejection from this golden pocket, if we reject from it, would be a good sign that we would come lower here and change market structure. But honestly, this looks actually pretty bullish to me right here. This looks pretty bullish. Like, it looks like these shorts are getting absorbed by people looking to push the price up higher. But it's hard to say because we've had so many longs close out, but we have had a lot of shorts open. So it's difficult to say. Dollar's dumping, guys. That's bullish for Bitcoin. But then again, the S&P 500 mini futures are basically consolidating. This is the 1 minute, so that's... I mean, yeah, it looks the same as Bitcoin, honestly, guys. It looks the same as Bitcoin. At least I'm talking about, like, momentum on the 12 minute. All right, let's see if we... Wow. Oh, wow. Did we just hit... No, there's no way. Hang on. No, we didn't hit VWAP. I don't know why I got that notification. All right, this is the last hope here, which is coming above here and then losing it with a bear div like this. That would be the last hope. If not, I expect a much larger move to the upside. Because I want to see the that money flow coming down. On that 1 minute. All right. Let's wait and see. Looks like it's not too bearish, guys. No, we don't have the div. Wow, so many longs coming in right now, actually. Yeah. Gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait. Have to be patient. But money flow right now, yeah, I feel like there's a pretty low chance that that we're gonna come back down below this level here, and especially now looking at the 1 minute momentum and money flow is now higher. So I would say that yeah, I don't think we're gonna get a short here either. Of course, we might dump, which is fine, but yeah, don't think we're gonna get one here either, guys. So let's zoom out and see what other levels we have potentially where we'll find our confirmations. 12-minute 12-minute looks bearish, man. I feel like the 12-minute still could give us a short, but we need a level. Let's mark this as key for right now. All right, we do have some divs now. We actually do right now. All right. Now we have 3-minute div and money flow. We have 1-minute div and technically ever so slight money flow. Yeah. All right. All right, I'm in a risky as heck short, guys. I'm in a risky as heck short. This is risky. Do not follow. Do not follow. This is risky, guys. This is super risky. High risk. Super high risk. Let's see here. Did we get any kind of absorption? You could say slight. High risk, high risk, high risk. This is high risk, guys. I don't like what I'm seeing, honestly. Yeah, this might be a little too high risk. Because right now, it looks like we have bullish CBD here, ever so slightly. So, let's see. Actually, let's see something else. Okay, yeah, I mean, it's high risk, guys, but, alright, it's high risk, but whatever. Just locked in a little profits there. 50%. High risk. High risk. But, you know, it technically is a CDW, right? So we waited until we saw the divergences. We went for it. I might get wicked out. And then, well, let me see something here. What do I have? $189. All right, let's just... Let's pull a fib, actually. Let's pull a fib. Yeah, that's 618. That 618 is up there. I'm just going to keep my stop loss up here. It's risky, but here's the thing. If I get stopped out, it will be a $350 loss. I'll just cover it from my long. Because here's the thing. If we're going to reject, we're going to reject from here, right? If we're going to reject, we're going to... Let me actually check order flow quick before I make that decision. Wow, we had a lot of shorts coming in here. This actually looks kind of bullish, so... Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens at that. Honestly, at that golden pocket, yeah, that's the line in the sand for me. So let's go to the 1 minute. Let's check it out. Oof, that's a tight trigger wave right there, man. That's a tight trigger wave. Tight trigger wave, money flow, thick in the green. Looks bullish. The only thing keeping me bearish, guys, is this potential 12-minute red dot here, which we might not get. But, you know, look at the money flow on the 6 minute and the divs here. If we get a 12-minute red dot, guys, I think we can come down lower here. I do. I think we can come down lower here if we get a 12-minute red dot. We need that 12-minute red dot. Come on, 12-minute red dot. Print, baby. What's happening here? All right, okay. Okay. Yeah, come on, 12-minute. Give us a red dot, baby. Give us a red dot. We need a red dot, 12-minute. Yes, we do, indeedly, Bob. Yes, we do, indeedly, Bob. Diddly Bob. Biddly bop bop. Sorry, guys, I just can't help. I've got the rhythm in my bones, man. Come on, 12-minute red dot. Yeah, I don't know, actually, like... We're about to print that green dot now on the 1 minute. It's a risk I'm willing to take, guys. This is a well-calculated risk. It's a well-calculated risk. If I get stopped out here, I'm going to lose $390 minus $189. So let's say 400 minus 190 equals, I'm going to lose 200 bucks if I get stopped out of this. I'll just take that from my long. No loss. But if we're going to reject, this is the level I'm looking to reject, you know? That's the rationale. That's the rationale. Getting nervous, guys. I'm getting pretty dang nervous, man. Sweating. All right, deep breaths, Jason. Shouldn't have had so much coffee this morning. All right. Come on, 1 minute. Give us that trigger wave to the downside, baby. Give us that trigger wave to the downside. Now, this is, you know, this isn't the most bearish looking thing in the world. Like, I'll be honest with you guys. Let's see what the ES is. Ooh! Pumping. Yeah, S&P 500 mini futures pumping, baby. Pumping, which means the corn's probably pumping too. Okay, let's see. What are we getting here? Shorts. We're getting shorts coming in. You know, we got... Let's go to a 1 minute. It's hard to say what we got up here. But I would say this looks bullish as heck, man. On the 1 minute, this looks pretty bullish. Like, we have a higher high and we have a lower high on CVD. That does not look too bearish, honestly. And it doesn't really look bearish at all. But I would hate to... yeah, rounded bottom. This trigger wave on the 1 minute looking kind of bully here. But come on, Bebop, just curve to the downside a little bit. You know, just curve to the downside. Right? What's the music that dumps the price? Caroline in My Mind by James Taylor. Carol in My Mind. Wrong thing. Here we go.
In my mind, I'm gone to Carolina. Can't you see the sunshine? Can't you just feel the moonshine? Ain't it just like a friend of mine? It hit me from behind. Yes, I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. Karen sees the silver sun. Best walk her way and watch it shining. Watch her watch the morning come. A silver tear appearing now. I'm crying, ain't I? Gone to Carolina.
Man, my armpits smell kind of good. I used soap last night because my wife, she was like, hey, Jason, you want to hang out? And so I was like, do you want me to shower? And she's like, yeah. I told her, you want me to use soap? She was like, yeah.
Hey, babe, the sky's on fire. I'm dying, ain't I?
I'm going to Carolina in my mind. In my mind, I'm going to Carolina. Can't you see the sunshine? Can't you just feel the moonshine? Baby, it's like a friend of mine to hit me from behind. 'Cause I'm going to Carolina in my mind.
Dark and silent late last night. I think I might have heard the highway calling.
I don't know how this is looking, my friends.
Dogs that bite. Signs it might be
Oof, looking pretty bullish, honestly. This is bullish, guys. This is bullish. Going to Carolina in my mind. Bullish, bullish, bullish. That's bullish, guys. Yeah, this is looking kind of bullish, honestly.
And it seems like it goes on like this forever. You must forgive me.
All right, this is another good one, guys.
Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone.
Now this is in morning of my short trade right here.
And the plans they made put an end to you.
I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You gotta help me make a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand.
I won't
Make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Yeah, this looks bullish, guys. Do you see this absorption? Hang on. This is bullish absorption. You know. I don't see anything too bearish about this. Well, it was high risk. I knew it was high risk, guys, and I had the opportunity to get out and profit, but it's calculated risk. I just want to see what happens at this golden pocket. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought that I'd see you. You one more time again. Nice. That's a good song, you know. Well, yeah, guys. So, you know, looking at order flow here, it looks bullish. Like there's bullish absorption down here. We even got shorts opening up right now. Lots of them. People are shorting. I guess they're trying to front run this golden pocket a little bit. You know, the only thing keeping me in the trade, guys, is the 1 minute money flow is coming down. 12 minute could red dot and bring us down. Oh, but that 6 minute looks bullish now. And the 3 minute looks bullish too. Unless this candlestick closes below this level. Yeah, we need to close another candle below this level here. And you know, it's a calculated risk, guys. Like it's a calculated risk. I'm taking no this is a risk-free trade for me right now, right? Because if I get stopped out, I just take the profit from the long, pay myself back the however much it is. How much am I going to lose? Let's see. It's going to be a $400 loss minus it's like a $200 loss, guys. It's like a $200 loss I'm going to take here. So I just take $200 out of this long and call it a day, right? But you know, if we're going to get a rejection, this is the place, right? This is the place. So calculated risk taking, guys. That's the way to do it. And if we pump from here, man, I think we're going to pump pretty hard. I think we're going to pump pretty dang hard. Oh, right, I got the wrong tabs on. Sorry, guys. I guess I wasn't showing you the order flow. I was just showing you the trade. Yeah, so let's see what happens as we come to the golden pocket, as we come to the 786. Because, you know, typically we will, if this is a real CDW, and it could be, right? CDW of the CDW. This is the line we're looking at here. We did close a candle below. It's a 3 minute. Oof. 1 minute's looking bullish. All right, this is the moment of truth for us, guys. Golden pocket. We have a lot of longs coming in here. A lot of people long in here. Got longs here. Make sure to like the video, guys. We got like 900 people in here. Wow. Make sure to like the video and make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. So there's a huge bear flag confirming, says Lane Hughes. A bear flag? On the USTD dominance, we're gonna go to 30K. Yeah, that's really my next target, guys. Like this. I mean, if we don't reject from here or here at 24.2, then 30K is my next target, honestly. So, yeah, but this, this sometime. Let's see what happens here, right? Oof. Okay, so this looks like crap, guys. This really does. This really does look like crap here, taking out these highs. But now we're back above them. So, golden pocket not offering much resistance, and I doubt the 786 will either. Shout out to Boyan, by the way. Boyan, shout out to you, bro, if you are watching this. Shout out to Evan Aldo. Yo, Evan Aldo in the chat? You hear Evan Aldo? Where is Aldo? I like to play that game. Here he is. He's in the short on ETH. He thinks I might win this short. Well, if I have that Evan Aldo confirmation, guys, then, might as well just move my stop loss way up here, right? If Evan Aldo is short on ETH, then maybe I'll win the short, guys. So, Evan Aldo, I don't know, man. Honestly, things are looking pretty dang bearish. To be honest with you, man. But we're at this golden pocket, so let's see what happens. Turn on 0.65. 786 coming up, guys. I don't know, Evan Aldo, man. I don't know. Hope you're right, though. That'd be epic, right? Twould be epic. It would be epic. But let's check out what's happening here. This is looking extremely bullish, guys. Evan Aldo, I don't know, man. I think we're going to lose our shorts. But we'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. I feel like this 12-minute, though, right, guys? The 12-minute red dot, money flow coming down, the VWAP pointing down, I feel like there is some hope here, right? I feel like there is some hope. So, given the Evan Aldo hope here, why don't we listen to some more music and see if we can dump this? We need more calm. What's more calm music? Let's see, oh yeah, Jim Croce, man. Let's put on some Jim Croce.
Operator,
Oh, would you help me place this call? See, the number on the matchbook is old and faded. She's living in LA with her best old ex-friend Ray. She said she knew and she sometimes hated. Isn't that the way they say it goes? But let's forget all that. But give me the number if you can find it. Hey, shout out to Frankie Candles, man. Shout out to Daniel from Chart Champions. Daniel shorted this? Wait. Is Daniel short right now? Someone tell me. Because if he is, man, I'm going to add to this position, baby! So let me know. Back to the music. But that's not the way it feels. Something in my eye, you know it happens every time. Love that I thought would save me. Isn't that the way they say it goes? But let's forget all that. Oh, okay. Yeah, I shorted earlier too, and I took out like, you know, $12. Not a big deal. I learned to take it well. I only wish my words could just convince myself that it just wasn't real. But that's not the way it feels. No. That's not the way it feels. Operator, oh, let's forget about this call. No one there I really wanna talk to. Thank you for your time. Oh, you've been so much more than kind. You can keep the dime. Man, guys, this music takes me back. Takes me way back. Guys. Isn't that the way they say it goes? But let's forget all that. And give me the number if you can find it, so I can call Joe. Oh, wow, music stopped. Now, here's the thing, guys. Okay? I have a question here that I want to address. Jason Casper, can you explain how it comes when you say a lot of longs or shorts? Does it make any sense? How can you... Okay, so yeah, so if I'm looking for longs and shorts, ha! 12-minute red dot, baby. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Let's short this Ponzi down to Sheol, baby. If you're speaking Hebrew, or Hades if you're speaking Greek, or maybe Tartarus, okay, if you really want to go deep down under the earth. Now, here's the thing. That 12-minute red dot's giving us a pump. So sometimes, you know, I look at the longs and the shorts coming in to give me added confluences, right? If, right now, we can see that there's a lot of shorts coming in, which there are, okay, but price keeps going up, that means these shorts are being absorbed. This is a very bullish thing. We're probably going to pump like a wild woman. Okay? Probably going to pump like a wild woman right here. So we'll have to wait and see how it goes. But isn't that the way they say it goes? Oh, I guess you guys can't see this either. Hang on. Here we go. So right now we can see price coming up, shorts coming in. That's bullish, guys. That's bullish. Because it means that people are shorting, but price is going up. How es posible? Unless there's whales filling up limit longs here, right? Unless. So that's how we deal with it, you know. So Evan Aldo, man, bro, come on, come in on clutch for me, bro. Evan Aldo, I need you, man. I need you. Tell me what's going to happen. Frankie Candles, tell me, bro. Tell me what's going to happen. Give me some hopium, guys. Give your boy Jason Casper some hopium, okay? Should we long or short right now? Well, Baruch von Beek, you know, I can't answer that question for you. You know, I wouldn't be shorting this at all, and I probably should have closed the short out already. The only reason I'm short right now, guys, is because, you know, if we don't reject from here, then I think we're going to keep pumping. So this is the last hope for the shorts, right? But money flow's coming down. I think we can come down a little bit. We got a 12-minute red dot. I think it's possible, right? We have to change market structure. But honestly, you know, overall, the daily time frame looks pretty dang bullish to me. Extremely bullish. And, you know, this high is the one I was looking to take out here. This is the next high we have. And after that, we're going to 28K, man. So we don't have a long entry here, right? We don't have a long entry here. No way in heck, man, do we have a long entry right now. The only long entry we have is like a FOMO long. That's it. So, you know, take that and do with it what you will. But, you know, for me, the only trade option I have right now is a short, and it's a risky one, right? I told everyone, please don't copy because, you know, it's risky, right? Now, I had the opportunity to close this in a $150 win, but I chose to keep it open, even though I have bullish signs here, because I'm an idiot and a moron, actually, and this is not financial advice, and I'm an idiot trader, so, you know, please do as I say, not as I do, my friends, you know. Let's check out our 24-minute. You know, I have to say, the 24-minute is looking a little bit bearish as we get a wild woman pump on here. Wild woman pump. Wow, this is a wild woman pump. Let's check out what's happening here. This is a wild woman pump, guys. This is a wild woman pump. This is a wild woman pump. I mean, this is absorption, guys. So, I mean, if you want a long here, hey, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is definitely a wild woman pump, for sure. Yeah, it's wild woman, guys. So, all right, 786. Last hope, guys. Last hope. 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 Yeah, it looks pretty bullish. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It looks pretty dang bullish. The only thing, guys, is this 1 minute money flow divergences happening here. That's the only thing keeping me in this trade right now. And also the fact that I'm hedged. So, you know, again, it's a risk-free trade for your boy, JC. Okay, risk-free for JC. Right? Risk-free for JC. Come on, baby. Jason Casper needs a new pair of shoes. I need a new pair of shoes, man. I'm so nervous right now. I'm sweating harder than a prostitute sitting in the front row in church, hearing some good old-fashioned fire and hellstone preaching. Getting all convicted of my sins here. Shouldn't have shorted. Should have known, guys. Bitcoin only goes up. It never goes down. I should have known. It's the golden bull run. Have I been with Carl the Moon ass-face Maserati? Yes, I have. In fact, he took me to McDonald's the other day in his Maserati. Here's a video of it.
Hello, I would like to get a Big Mac meal.
I'll have it too. Coming to theaters near you this summer, Jay and Carl go to McDonald's. Yeah. So, okay, so Wendell's also in a short. Yeah, I'm in a short too, you know? So, you know. You know, let's see what happens here. I mean, you know, it's not a bad place to short. It just, we didn't really have too much confirmation. We had very, very small time frame confirmations. I took a short, could have gotten out in profit, but I decided, you know what, instead of closing out of my stop loss at my entry and doing something like this, right, I decided to hold it, hodl it. But now, as you guys can clearly see, we're creeping on up. Even though we have a 12-minute red dot. Even though, yeah, this is bullish, guys. Oof, this is so bullish. Yeah, I'm closing this short, guys. I'm closing it now. As soon as I close this short, guys, as soon as I close this short, we're going to dump, right? As soon as I close this short, that's how it works, guys. You can't live stream a trade and flop and grope and then make an idiot out of yourself. But look at how bullish this is, right? As the price is getting higher, CVD is just coming lower, 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 right? And look at the money flow on the Uno minute, guys. Let's check out the money flow on the Uno minute. I don't know. Could be bearish. Flop and grope Casper, live in action. Flop and grope Casper, baby, live in action. You know, shouldn't quit my dang day job. See, I told you, if I had closed that trade, man, we would have dumped like this. Right? We would have dumped like this. Oh, yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Flop and grope Casper. Shouldn't. See, I tricked it. I said I was going to close my trade, and I didn't close it. You see how that worked, guys? Do you see how that worked? The stress, guys. The stress. Oh, my goodness. People ask me, how do I stay in such good shape? Guys, it's because I freak out when I'm trading Bitcoin. How do I get these chest striations? It's the stress of trading Bitcoin, guys. It's the stress of trading Bitcoin, I'm telling you. That's right, we got over 1,000 people. Where are the likes, guys? If we can get 1,250 likes, I'm going to give away $1,000. Can you believe that? $1,000? Oh, my God! What is going on? What is happening? What is happening, guys? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. All right, what is happening now? This is pretty dang bullish. This is bullish as heck looking right now, honestly, because we have a lot of shorts. Like, so many people shorted that drop right now. So many people shorted that drop. Maybe they're going to keep shorting it. Maybe they're going to keep shorting it. Maybe there's going to be more shorts than longs, right? That's what will make the price come down. More shorts than longs. So everybody short right now over on ByBit. Affiliate link in the description. Just kidding, guys. I love the smell of these microphone things. All right. Oh, right, Fidelity. I'm sorry. It's a Bentley, not a Maserati. You're right. It's a Bentley, not a Maserati. Is Matic a good short? I don't know. But I'll tell you this, guys. Speaking of Matic, in the Jason Casper VIP Discord, we gave the short setup from here and the long setup from here last week. So if you guys are in the VIP Discord, patreon.com/Jason Casper, you took the setup given in advance for a 20% move to the downside short, and then a 25% move to the upside long. And we took a soul short as well from this wick. Well, I shouldn't be showing all my juicy levels for free here, guys. Shouldn't be showing all the juicy levels for free. All right, so anyway. Also, guys, you would be long right now from the bottom of Bitcoin if you were in the VIP Discord, because gave the setup this morning to take the long from 22,566. Look at this, guys. Boom. Right from 22,566 to the dang dollar, guys. To the dang dollar. And I walked through how I got into that trade earlier in today's stream. And that's the long trade I'm currently in right now. But, all right, guys. Let's dump it, baby. Let's dump it. All right. Okay, so now we're dumping. Now we are dumping, man. We are dumping. We are dumping. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go. If we're gonna dump, let's dump it. If we're gonna dump, let's dump it. Let's see. We need $111. There we go. All right. I'm going to T some P down here. I'm going to T some P down here. If we make it down there. And I'm going to T some P down here as well. 23086. If we make it down there, guys. You know, if we make it. I don't know. I don't know. All right. Shout out to Jack. Shout out to Zero Spaced. Says juiced. I like juice. Shout out to Frankie Candles. So Crypto Pumpet says, let's find out where Crypto Pumpet is. He says, show us your trade, Jason Casper. I'm in 2. Are these showing? Oh, crap, they're not showing. Whoops. My bad, guys. Here they are. Here's the trades, guys. Here's the trades. Now, I added a little bit to my long, as you can see, which gave me a higher entry. But originally, I was long from this wick, literally right down here. But the thing is, if we're going to pump like a mad woman, or like a wild woman, I do want to have a little bit more in the position, right? And so, yeah, we'll have to see what happens. We'll have to see what happens. Now, let's pull out some fibs, right? I'd love to pull fibs. Y'all know how much I'd love to pull fibs. All right, so we got the golden pocket retracement coming in around 23,207, which actually means I should probably take some profit right there at the golden pocket. And if we bounce from this golden pocket, I will definitely add to my position long. And if we come down to the 382, I would add to my long at the 382 as well, because we would be retesting this high. So we'll have to wait and see what happens here, guys. We'll have to wait and see what happens here. But overall, you know, it's a good day, guys. It's a good day. It's a good day. It's a profitable day, guys. It's a very profitable day. If we're going to take it from 8 p.m. last night, it's been a pretty profitable day for your boy. Because if you remember the beginning of this stream, I was also in a short from here. And then I longed from here. And now I'm short from here, which may be a loss, but it's okay because I'm hedged nicely. And then yesterday, I did long from here, but you guys saw the whole fiasco yesterday. If you're on my live streams, guys, we keep it raw, right? Flop and grope Casper over here. You know, trading's raw, man. Trading is like, what can I liken trading to? Here's what I can liken it to, right? It's like these things at the boardwalk, guys, right? It's like these things at the boardwalk. Let's see if I can open the original. Right? You're like trying to grab as much money as you can, but you're obviously going to miss a lot of money and make mistakes, right? You just got 2 hands. That's what trading's like, right? You just got to get out with as much as you can and try not to lose anything. So, shout out to my thumbnail guy. Yeah, so these were my trades from this morning. So the long that I'm in right now, I was also short with a good profit taken on that short as well. So it's been a pretty decent days, even with that $700 loss I took yesterday, man. And honestly, I can't believe I did that. It was a huge mistake. guys. It was a huge mistake. It was a huge mistake. I had a limit order set. I didn't realize it. All right, let's dump this Ponzi now. I'm tired of waiting. Let's dump this Ponzi. How's it looking? It still looks bullish, honestly, guys. This higher low here looks pretty bullish. Because of all these shorts. But these shorts are now closed out. Most of them are closed out, right? How's Market Cipher looking? We have this 24-minute divergence, guys. Market Cipher doesn't lie. It's easy to flop and grow on an order flow chart. But look, Market Cipher is telling us money flow, momentum coming down. This is a top signal on the 12-minute, guys. This is a top signal on the 12-minute, baby. Let's dump this. Let's get this 4-hour red dot going. Let's get this 2-hour red dot, 2-hour bearish divergence on the 2-hour, baby. 2-hour bearish divergence, baby. Let's dump this. All right, what should we listen to now? I like folk music. I like folk music. I like bluegrass. I like modern bluegrass. You guys ever hear of Nefesh Mountain? If you guys like bluegrass, even if you hate bluegrass, man, these guys are great, right? They're great. Yeah, they're good. They're good because it's actually hard to find. It's hard to find their actual album work here on the internet. Yeah, it's hard to find it actually. So they're Jewish, right? So they like take scripture and they take liturgy and they turn it into bluegrass like this, the Kaddish. But honestly, this is a better song. We'll listen to some Jewish bluegrass, guys. Only on the Jason Casper YouTube channel. You can get some Jewish bluegrass, singing the Bible in Hebrew to a bluegrass tune, no shirt, Pikachu hat. Ooh, looking kind of bullish, guys. Honestly, bullish. Whoa. Hang on, guys. I love this song, but I just got word from my sponsor. Hang on, guys. Real quick. Word from the sponsor that... Where's my sponsor? We just got a word. This just in, guys. My Illuminati handler just sent me a secret message, and I'm going to show you guys right here. No, this is not what I just saw. What did I just see? I saw... Okay, right now, 3 minutes ago. There should be a 3 minute ago word from my sponsor here. Hang on, guys. No, they're all right. We're gonna have to ghetto this, I guess, because I have a special connection. It's only for me to see, guys. So we're gonna make this bigger here.
In this video, the Bitcoin price is right now breaking out exactly as I told you guys earlier today, and Ethereum as well. So I'm gonna go to a more calm place because here it's a little bit windy. I'm gonna show you the charts. Look at this, guys. It's amazing because we put in long positions together here. So right now over on ByBit, our trades are doing very well. Let me go into the price right now. Here you can see the breakout is happening right now, literally as I am recording this. I'm running around in Turkey here, and I want to make a video for you guys. Look at this. Downwards trending channel or falling wedge. We broke out. We had a dip here. I put in a trade on ByBit. We right now see Bitcoin coming closer to my target. I told you earlier this morning, the target is $24.3 thousand, and right now the price is at 23.9. We're going towards 24.3, guys. So the price is right now exactly following my prediction from earlier. So that is great news, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you guys put this trade on ByBit. You get 4.
All right, guys, you heard it. You heard it. All right, now back to the music. הנה מה טוב ומה נעים, שבת אחים גם יחד. הנה מה טוב ומה נעים, שבת אחים גם יחד. ומה נעים, שבת אחים גם יחד. הנה מה טוב ומה נעים, שבת אחים גם יחד.
Come gather round and hear the song. If you're the wandering kind, 'cause you can make it alone.
But just so you know, we leave no one behind. Mothers and fathers who weathered the storms,
Grew strong in the trials of their times. So we brothers and sisters,
the door by door, carry on with this song in our lives. ומה נעים, שבת אחים גם יחד. הנה מה טוב ומה נעים. Hey, shout out to all the people who thumbs down the video, man. Hey, you know, what can I say? I am who I am, you know. I'm just Jason Casper. You get what you get. If you don't like it, go check out Frankie Candles, man. He's got some real good, real clean content on there. Right? Always wears a shirt. Never sings in Hebrew, especially not bluegrass. Check out Evan Aldo as well. So, how did I get into the short? We have a question here. Sorry, how did I get into the long? Someone asked, how did I get into the long? How did I get into the long, guys? This morning, all right, in the VIP Discord, we just had a long setup right here. We were ranging. We had the low of the range right by a daily level that we came up through like butter. Whenever this happens, you have a high time frame level that you come up through like butter. Chances are when you retest it, you'll get some kind of a bounce. Also, after an impulsive move to the upside, if you start ranging sideways, typically you take the low and then come back up into the range. Typically you take the high and come back into the range, but this was just a bullish breakout, right? And right now we're trying to short this area right here, right? I mean, literally this is where I'm short from right now. So if this doesn't work out, guys, you know, that's how I got into the short, you know. How's this looking here? I don't know. I don't even know anymore, guys. Let's see if we have any more questions. How can you short and long at the same time? I don't know. I don't use scam nance. They did away with the United States. Some new law came out, and no longer can we use scam nance in the United States to leverage trade. So I've tried with VPNs. They're so sneaky. They're so dang sneaky over there on Binance. I tried using 3 commas. Man, I tried everything. But now I've landed on ByBit and Bitget. You know, Bitget, they don't give a crap. Right? They're so new. They don't care about regulations. They're like, please use our exchange. We'll do anything. ByBit, you know, they put on the show. They're like, oh, yeah, you're not allowed to trade on this if you're in the United States. Right? But I don't even have a VPN turned on right now, guys. I don't. And sometimes I even get this notification up here that says, warning! You're from a restricted area. But, you know, ByBit, you know what I'm saying? They warned me. They're doing the right thing. Right? Money flow is dropping on the 1 hour ETH. Let's see. Google Chrome. KuCoin, I'm not a fan. Oh man, these adult sex best adult dating site. Get the heck out of my chat with that nonsense, man. Get the heck out of here. Oh, sorry, I was a little low. Shout out to Crypto Tom. Thanks for being here, man. Shout out to Robert Bonar. His dog liked the noise. Wink, wink, wink. Yeah, come on, guys. Come on. This is a Christian channel over here, right? We're trying to keep it biblical. We're trying to keep it biblical, hermeneutically sound. You know what I'm saying? Is KuCoin down at the moment? KuCoin is down at the moment, guys. KuCoin is down at the moment. All right, well, back to the Hebrew music. Manaim Shevet Achim Gam Yachad Shevet Achim Gam Yachad. Man, I've never gotten so many thumbs down as playing Hebrew music. You know what this is, guys? This is actually, believe it or not, this is Psalm 133. Psalm 133. Right here. Shir Hama'alot LeDavid. Hine matov umanaim shevet achim gam yachad. A song of ascents. Behold how good and pleasant it is for brothers to dwell together in unity. It's like the precious ointment upon the head that ran down upon the beard, even Aaron's beard, and it went down to the skirts of his garments. You know, that fresh olive oil pouring down Aaron's beard. It's a pleasant thing to hang out with your brothers, guys. It's a pleasant thing. All right. How's the trades doing, guys? It sounds Yiddish. Well, Yiddish is basically kind of Hebrew, right? It's just like mixed with European. So, guys, make sure to like the video. Make sure to like the video. Got a lot of dislikes for opening up the Word of God. So make sure to like the video, guys. You know, people come here for there's three things that you come to this channel for. Number 1, biceps. Number 2, trading. Number 3, scripture. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Rabbi Eduardo, man. See, look, you pull out the Hebrew, you get a rabbi in here. That's how it works. That's how it works. All right, back to the music.
We'll sing out this song for years to come, in a story without an end, for how good it is to be among our brothers and sisters and friends.
All right, y'all. Oh, by the way, if you want to buy the course, there's a 15% discount, and you can watch this video for free. So, okay, what's happening? Money flow's coming down on the 1 minute. I honestly have to say that I don't know what the heck is going on with this, guys. You know, I really don't know. But I'm going to sit here and trust my butt cheeks. I'm going to trust my butt cheeks, guys. Right? Right? I'm going to trust my cheeks. You know, we've got 24-minute uneven butt cheeks. Look at this, guys. I mean, we technically even have 2-hour uneven butt cheeks, man. 1 hour, uneven butt cheeks. You know, Dolores is definitely in the building. She's definitely in the building, guys. Let's see here. Look at that beautiful set of uneven glutes. She's in the building. Hey, what's going on over here, Jason? I'm up here in the building. And I'm hanging upside down from the trapeze because ever since I injured my glutes, hanging upside down helps me feel a little better. What are you seeing down there? What are you seeing back there? You know, I can't turn my head back that far. How's it looking there, Jason? Dolores, you know, it's looking kind of good. We got this big old juicy cheek on the left. We got this skinny old cheek on the right. You know, as we came up to a key area of resistance, point of control. Yeah, we came up to a point of control, now that I mentioned it, a naked daily one. And, yeah, you know, looking kind of good there, Dolores. Oh, yeah, Jason, yeah, that's good to hear, you know. I'm going to bring you another cup of coffee, Jason. I'm going to bring you some breakfast. I'm going to bring you some pancakes. You're looking kind of skinny there, Jason. You losing weight? She always asks me that. No, Dolores, I'm not. I'm trying to work out, you know. But the problem with Dolores, guys, is that she's really short. So, you know, I come in here feeling all buff because, you know, I like to hit the weights. But she's short, right? So what's she doing? She's looking at my legs. Jason, you're looking kind of skinny there. You ever heard of squats and deadlifts? Dolores, it's just my genetics. Like, I can't help it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I try. I squat. I love squatting. I do some kind of squat every day. Body weight squat, front squat, back squat, belt squat, box squat, low bar squat, high bar squat, safety bar squat. I even do calf raises, right? Let me get you some pancakes there, Jason. You know, I try and explain to her I'm on keto, right? Because that's the hip thing to do nowadays is go keto. All the hip people do it. You go to the store now, what do you see? Keto cookies, keto ice cream, keto this, keto that. Must be healthy if it's keto. You know, and me being a baby boomer myself, I grab onto those buzzwords. If I think it's healthy and if my kids do it, it must be good for me too. So here I am eating keto ice cream every night. Tastes great, guys, I have to say. But Dolores doesn't understand, and they don't have keto ice cream at the diner. But what they do have at the diner are uneven butt cheeks, and we definitely see those on the 24 minutes. So let's dump this Ponzi baby. Let's dump this Ponzi baby, all right? I'm trying to dump this Ponzi baby, if you heard. Have you heard the word? Shout out to Evan Aldo, who says, dude, he says, dude, no lie, there's a waitress at a restaurant near me that sounds exactly like that, uneven cheeks and everything. Bro, I believe it, man. Like, I'm not, people think I make up these stories to be funny. Come on, guys. Would I make up these stories to be funny? Ooh, Uncle Joe's talking live, huh? Let's listen to it. Is it on YouTube? Oh, yeah, here we go.
Person, but I want to thank you all for your well wishes, your prayers over this past week, and the calls I've gotten. I also want to thank the medical team here at the White House for the incredible care they gave me. Fortunately, God willing, my symptoms were mild. My recovery was quick, and I'm feeling great.
Yeah, you know, it's so amazing. Everyone says that, like, literally everyone who ever had the vid. It's like, oh, yeah, it was just like a cold, you know? Who would have thought?
The entire time I was in isolation, I was able to work.
Good for him. He was in isolation. You know, guys, speaking of VidCo, I was just hanging out with some people who had VidCo, and I'm fine. They didn't have it in isolation, you know? Interesting stuff. Interesting.
Carry out the duties of the office and without any interruption. It's a real statement on where we are in the fight against COVID-19.
Yeah, it's a real statement, guys. It's amazing how far we've come, you know, in the fight against this thing. You know, the fact that he got it, that's a sign that we've come real far, guys. We were defeating this thing. You know, everyone got it. Everyone's still getting it, you know. Multiple injectionations. Everyone's still getting it. You know, it's amazing how far we've come, you know. Wow. Up. There you have it, guys. He still got it. He's still got it, baby. He still got it. You know what I love about this, guys? You know what I love about... I'm subscribed to CBS, right? Let's check on our trades. Doing pretty good, right? Doing pretty good. Gonna try not to get shadow banned. I'm subscribed to CBS. And you know what's so funny is how, like, Biden, you know, you ain't black if you don't vote for me, he said. Remember that? That cracks me up. It's so funny whenever you see, like, Biden on the mainstream media, they post, like, video thumbnails of, like, it's almost like, let me see if I can find one. There was one I saw the other day. It was just, like, trying so hard trying so hard to be like, yeah, we like black people. It was just the funniest thing in the world. It seemed just so fake. So fake. Everything about it's fake. Oh, it was this one. This is Biden's official doctors. It's like, yeah, of course, Biden, he must be the most non-racist, most awesomest person in the world. Because look, black people. What a slap in the face. What a slap in the face of the American public, man. Honestly, trying to put on some show. You can tell when people are not being authentic, right? You can tell when people are not being authentic. I mean, you don't have to try. If you have to try, that means you're not authentic, right? And honestly, who the heck trusts this crap with the all-seeing eye in the logo? Who the heck even trusts this crap, man? It's crazy to me. When you got the all-seeing eye telling you what's going on. Back to the trades. How are the trades doing? All right? We've got our conspiracy hour over here. Shout out to Alan. Yeah, where's Alan? I hope Alan. Alan, I do. I hope you find the content you're looking for, man. Does Big Butts 28 have uneven cheeks? No, they're pretty even. They're pretty even. Oh, it's not live. Okay, it's not live. It's pre-recorded. I'm sorry, guys. Biden is not live.
Those who build these.
Oh, it's not live. Sorry. I don't mean to hate on Uncle Joe, guys. I hate on the Orange Man, too. I hate them all, right? I don't hate them, but I hate on them, right? Because we know these people don't have any authority. They're figureheads for us plebs to either love or hate. Like, they want, if you don't like this guy, they want you to really hate this guy. They want you to get angry about it. They want you to get, like, hurt about it, right? And get pissed about it. They want you to feel a certain way. And the same is true about the Orange Man. They either want you to love him or they want you to hate him. They carefully craft everything, right? That's what the news exists for. Look up Operation Mockingbird, guys. The news is literally CIA propaganda. And everything's carefully crafted to make you feel a certain emotional way, very base level emotional kind of stuff. Ever since 2012, when NDAA repealed the Mont-Smith Act, which made it illegal for propaganda to be used against the American people, you can see a shift in the way news was presented from like actual objective fact to now just like children basically making emotional statements. It's crazy. Look into it. Read Edward Bernays' propaganda and what's another great, what's the guy's name? Bertrand Russell. I'm pretty sure is the guy I'm thinking of. No, I could be wrong. I don't know. But seriously, man, this is some crazy stuff. But these people don't care about you. They're not for you. They're not for the country. It's all part of an agenda, man. Orange or white. Right? It doesn't matter if you're white or orange or black. All right, let's check on our trades here. This could be a little bearish. We might come down a little more. We'll have to wait and see. Yeah, seriously. Sorry, guys. Now my channel's going to get shadow banned, man. But hey, I think I'm too... I don't know. I don't really... I mean, I do care. I have a backup channel on Rumble right now. Is it true Bernays is one of the founders of Netflix? That's very interesting. I did not know that. Yeah, there's no 24-minute red dot yet. What is a CDW? CDW is it means chickens drinking water. It basically means chickens drinking water is the long setup that we got today was a chickens drinking water. Okay. So if you have a low, right? If you have a range, let's say we have a range, clearly defined high, clearly defined low. These are the first trades I look for every single day. If you have a range, right, you have that first low, okay? If we come below that low with a bullish divergence, that's a chicken's drinking water. If we come above the high with a bullish divergence, that's a chicken's drinking water. It's basically a fake out, right? And we have to see the divergences first, right? Otherwise, we don't take it. And I don't know what's going to happen here, guys. We might dump, we might pump, I don't know. But so those are always the trades I look for first, right? So like right here, I was looking for that trade first, right? This trade, take the low to get a move to the upside. Boom, man, boom, right from the dang level. And then also for the short, that's why I'm short now. I was looking for a short around here. The first one we didn't get. This second one, I'm still kind of hoping that we come down from here, just based on some of the medium-term time frame things, right? But we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait and see. Like, I don't know. It's hard to tell yet. We might start if we put in a lower high. If we put in a lower high here, it could be bearish. But the 12 minutes starting to curve up. Money flow getting thicker now. I just don't know, guys. I really just don't know. The only reason I'm still short. Oh crap! You guys can't even see what I'm seeing. The only reason I'm still short is because of the hope that I have, the hopium that. Yeah. So if we don't put in a higher high here, I think we could be okay. What we didn't do is we didn't change market structure, right? We really need to put in that lower low. But this is the 1 minute time frame. If we're on the 12 minute, potentially we're doing this. So, but this is starting to look pretty bullish, and we didn't really get that market structure change, so but I don't know. I mean, it is possible that we do get some bear CBD here, but honestly, open interest is closing. Shorts are closing. There's a lot of longs coming in here. We could still get a move down. We really need some shorts to come in, honestly. We need some shorts to come in, right? We need some shorts to come in. Had a lot of longs come in here, which if there are limit shorts up here filling up, that could be good. Or if we get some shorts stepping in, that could be good. But if not, money flow starting to thicken up here. So we'll have to wait and see, y'all. We'll have to wait and see. Is a CDW the same as an SFP? Well, I don't know, because down here in the South, we don't say swing failure pattern, right? Because here's the thing. If you got some swing failure down here, that means you're going to fall into the watering hole off the swing and break yourself in your neck, right? So, but what we do want to see down here is we want to see them chickens drinking. Because if they ain't drinking, they going to die. If they going to die, you ain't going to have no eggs. You ain't going to have no chicken manure for your garden. You're going to die too, all right? But if your swing fails, you probably going to die. But if your chicken drinks, you going to live, all right? So, 24,380 is the spider line. Yeah, 24,380, that's good to know. 24,380. I'm going to go ahead and put a level there, 24,380. And say this is a spider line. Because that is the next area that I would look to short, and the last area I would look to short, man. The next and the last. So, set an alert right there. Coming to spider line. I have to say, this is the most painful short I've been in a very, very long time. Because typically, You know, if you're wrong, you know you're wrong right away. I've been chilling in this short since 15:45. It's currently it's 17 o'clock, guys. It's 17 o'clock. Can you believe that? Is SHIB going to break out? I don't know. Why is that the last area? Because that's the last high we have, and then it's a smooth move. It's a smooth move up to like 28K. Hey, I just got a text from Big Bus 28. Ooh, there's a big storm coming. Lots of hail and stuff. Okay. Okay, we got our 24-minute red dot. Alright. We got our 24-minute red dot. Oh, man, we got more spammers in here. Get the heck out of here, you dang spammers. Alright, well. Guys, make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We got only 700 likes, 900 viewers. I really think we could get 1,200 likes in here, and then I get to do a $1,000 giveaway. But actually, I don't know if that could happen right now, because the thing is, y'all, you know, truth is, and the thing is, I do have to head out of here, because Big Butts 28 needs my help getting the farm ready for this hailstorm that's coming. And I also best get out there and do some work on the homestead. Got some more taters to harvest and all that, you know. So, can't be trading all day. As much as it's fun, as much as I love trading, making me some dang Bitcoin. Guys, I am going to have to head out. How long have we been streaming anyway now? 2 hours? Wow, it's 2 hours. Yeah, 12-minute looks bullish. But 24-minute has that red dot. So the 12-minute could you know, it looks bullish as heck, man. That's true. Look at that money flow. But the 1 minute, guys, 1 minute money flow coming down, red dot, 24-minute red dot. 1 hour bearish div. I mean, I think we can come down more here, and if not, whatever. You know, I've got myself positioned nicely. Secured a very nice profit today. Secured this plus another 400 on that first short I took. So that's like 1,500. And then if I take a loss right now, it'll be a $200 loss. Because it'll be a $400 loss minus this secured profit. So, you know, it is what it is. I'll take it. I'll take it because there's a chance we could dump, right? I was hoping we would dump on this stream so we could have for some nice volatility. But you know how streams go, guys. You know, no volatility during the stream. As soon as the stream ends, lots of volatility. So, but 'tis life, guys. 'Tis life. I'm going to head out, but I do pray everybody is very, very blessed in the name of Jesus the Messiah. I don't take myself seriously at all, but I do take my walk with the Lord extremely seriously because He gives life purpose and meaning, guys. That's what's so great about having a relationship with the Lord. I know not everyone's religious, that's fine, but I do pray everyone's blessed. So receive this blessing, guys. In Hebrew, Yevarechecha Adonai v'yishmerecha ya'er Adonai panav elecha v'chunecha Yisa Adonai panav elecha v'yasem lecha shalom. B'shem Yeshua HaMashiach Elohei Israel, which in English means, may the Lord bless you and protect you. May He shine light upon you. May He have grace upon you. And may He turn His face towards you and give you completeness and peace. In the name of Jesus the Messiah, the God of Israel. Amen. And peace, y'all.